Hello. So today we are finally going to start our little rebuild in here. It's kind of dark. So we are going to start by moving this bed into the back corner. And then we're moving all that stuff out of the way. And it's gonna give us more room in here. I know it's a mess in there right now, sorry. But yeah, we're moving the bed into that back corner. It's gonna give us a lot more room out there. And then where the dresser is, we're gonna build like a little cabinet thing and then have the sink and the stove there, which was something I wanted to do when we first built it, but it didn't quite work out. So, but yeah, we're gonna have to pull pretty much everything out of there because we have a king size mattress and it's huge, and without opening the back of it's gonna be a whole thing. We're gonna try to leave the mattress in there but move everything else out, and we got to move the bed frame. So let's do it. Update on Harry the mouse. He's a stubborn trickster. You saw the traps I had last time, the round ones where they're supposed to, you put bait, they go inside and it shuts behind them. Well, we've had that for a little over a week now, and he hasn't gone inside. We had one, and he left. He got into my flax seeds, which I forgot were in his realm, and hid some of the flax seeds in the trap. So it was kind of a big slap in the face because I'm like, okay, so he's hiding flax seeds in here, and it's not going off. And he's not going inside. So we tried putting a different one of those out because that one was like messed up, I guess, after all was said and done. We put cheese on it. He still wouldn't go in it. So we now got that mouse trap sticky paper. And I don't know. He didn't go on it last night. I'm worried we'll never get rid of him, but I guess we'll see. We're hoping when we move the dresser, I don't know, that maybe we'll get him. So I guess we'll find out. Oh, this isn't bad when it's flat. All right. Which way? Why do you have to take the legs off? You don't.
Oh, I don't? It'll fit?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't.
Relax. The dogs are all worked up, so this is all the stuff under the... Oh, what a mess. I guess we're gonna... That's why we need to build some more storage areas. Mostly my shoes. I need a shoe bin. He thinks we're packing up and leaving, and he's getting worked up because he sees all the stuff coming out. Wait, buddy, we're not going anywhere. It's all right. You hiding under the picnic table?
He's like, I like it here.
Here, he's like, we just got here.
He's more of a settling kind of dog.
Yeah, he's a settler. She's a traveler. He's a settler. And look at it now without the futon. Look at all that room. That Surf Shack thing is broken. We should just burn that. Looking better in here.
What, the surf back then?
It looks junky because it's broken on that one side. And unless you know, it looks, it's like hanging sideways. But yeah, so basically, guys, the plan, besides moving the bed first, and then instead of the futon, we're gonna build a thing to sit on here where we have storage underneath and behind it. And then we're gonna get rid of this dresser and we're gonna build little cabinet counter over there. Everything just fit flush. We kind of just took off and threw some furniture in here when we originally left, but it's time to finally do it upright. Ah, he chewed a hole in the back. Harry, look at this.
He's in there, he's probably shitting his pants.
There's the hole.
Move, Luna.
Here, I'll get her out of the way. Luna. And the dresser is officially out, guys. And look at all that crap behind there. Oops. Sorry, I felt like that was a little shaky. All right. Which way? This way?
Just push back.
Ow, my toes. Hold on. Jeez. This thing was nasty. I wanted these rugs out of here for a while. I'm throwing those out. Now the question is Harry in one of these drawers or where is he? 'Cause I don't know. I haven't actually seen him yet, so we'll see. Alright. I gotta get this little crap out of here and then sweep. The worst thing Harry's done yet, we discovered. He got the Grateful Dead ukulele and he stored stuff in it and broke the strings. That's blasphemy. Blasphemy? Yeah. Pretty rude. Alright, so we got all of our crap out. A lot of this stuff I think I'm going to throw away or put into storage. Why? Why? Oh, okay. Well. Oh, well, I didn't know what you were going to say.
You can peek in there.
Oh. But yeah, we got the stuff. We cleaned the floor. I mean, I have to give it a deep cleaning, but once we have the right stuff built in there, we'll probably have a lot more room. So, yeah, now we have to move the stuff on the other side of the bed before we can start moving the bed frame. So that didn't take too long, though. That took us maybe 30 minutes to get all this stuff out.
Yeah, it's not quite a shit to take out.
Oh yeah, we got the stuff at the foot of the bed too. Oh, we got a lot of stuff in here. Alright guys, so we're inside here. Oh my god, it looks so much nicer without all this crap in the way. So, next step, he is cleaning everything from the floor. If you're judging me on how messy it is in here, just remember I was traveling most of the summer and I just got back from city camping, so I haven't been able to take anything out and clean in here. But, you know, so yeah, we're going to clean the foot of the bed area. We didn't even know And then he's gonna get back there, that stuff. And then we will be moving the bed into the corner. All right, I gotta do some work stuff. I'll check in with you guys later. Maybe when he's building the bed. All right, bye. All right, guys, and we're back. He's got everything moved. Look at that. You can see the floor. And now he's got to try to unscrew the bed and move it. This is the mattress. Of course, it's a king-size bed, so looks a lot nicer in here.
Do you have some kind of light, maybe?
Yeah, I can get you a light.
Oops.
Oh, that little thing above your head, you should take that down too. The hooks.
Okay.
And we can put them over here by the door, you know, so we could actually use it. All right, guys, and we're back. And he officially has the frame over there. And yeah, we had a lot of crap under the bed. Pretty good. He had to saw something. Well, some of those floorboards. And now we just got to get all this cleaned up. Get the mattress over there. And we'll show you guys what it looks like. But we're going to have a lot more room once we move this mattress. Alright guys, I'm back. And things are a little daunting because, well, we have a lot of crap out here. I can't believe all this was in there. It looks really good in here. But we don't have the wood to build problems, so. But look how much more room we have. Alright. Now the bed is officially moved back into the corner. And yeah, that's where the bed was before. So I have some of this flooring in storage. So we're going to have to piece the floor in over there. And yeah. I mean, God, there's so much more room in here. Like, this is where these little things are. That's where the bed came before. So just picture, you know, you got about 3 more feet of space now. Yeah, pretty much right there was where the bed came, which only gave us, you know, that much room. And then I had stuff back there and it was like annoying. And now we got it flush to the wall. And my clothes are still able to fit somehow, so that's good. But yeah, we got a lot of organizing to do. Yeah, my poster. I got a lot to do in here, but I'm almost thinking of putting a little cabinet thing. We need storage. That's like the number one thing in here is building storage, but we're going to do that all along here in this wall. So, yep, that's step 1. And we're pretty far from like a Home Depot and all that stuff, so I'm gonna have to plan it out probably next payday. I'll measure this stuff up and we'll bring some wood back and start making some storage for all this crap, because I don't know. I don't even want to bring this dresser back in because it's disgusting from the mouse, and like I don't even know if he's got to be in the dresser because we didn't see him leave the dresser. So yeah. Speaking of, I need to cover that hole that I had the wires going through in here so he doesn't get out. But all right, I'll see you guys later with some more updates. I have a lot of cleaning to do, so I'll see you guys for the next part. Luna made a little bit. Oh, Luna, what do you think of all this? All right, so it is the next day, and we have moved most of our important stuff back in here, because it's probably going to be another week before we can get the wood. But this isn't obviously the finished product, but it looks a lot better in here and we have a lot more room. So yeah, you come in, and if you guys remember, the bed came out to like here, and we only had this little bit of space here. And yeah, he moved all the stuff from over there. The bed is now against the wall. And then whatever, we had to put a bunch of our crap here, but I like it a lot better. We have significantly more amount of space. And then when you see us next week, we're going to start building the counters and the cabinets along here. And then we're going to do a little bench seat with storage here. And start making more storage for everything. Get some bins, put some of this stuff under the bed. And then the video after that will be us putting in our sink and stove. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week when we start with building with the wood. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.